Hey everyone! Welcome back to Midas Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's look, we're going to be creating a lazy girl method polygel look, and we're going to be using different kinds of polygels, and we're going to be using different glitters, and the main attraction of today's video is going to be this cute little melted snowman look that's super easy to put together, and I am so excited to share the tutorial with you. It is my last video before Christmas, so I'm super excited and I wanted to go all in and create something super glittery and super pretty and fun and easy to make for everyone. So yeah, I wanted to take a second to just wish everyone to have a great time this holiday season. I hope you and your families are healthy and staying safe with this whole situation that's going on. So yeah, Merry Christmas, a little early, but it's okay. And let's jump straight into the video. So since we're going with a lazy girl method look, we're going to be using full cover tips, and I chose these coffin tips today because they're super long. I can hold a lot of polygel and designs, and I'm going to be using this nail stand to put them on so we can work easily while we go. And we're going to be starting with the first nail. I started with a thumb for some reason, and I applied a layer of base coat to all of the nails and cured them in the lamp. We're going to be using a few different polygels today. As you can see, I went with glitter and blue and white colors, and all of these glow in the dark, and I am so excited to show you the reveal at the end. So the method that I follow is super easy. I just add all the colors randomly on the inside of the nail, and then take some slip solution and just start pushing it around the nail and forming it however I want. And then I just go ahead and I put it onto the nail and clean up any excess around it, and then cure it in the lamp for at least 30 seconds. I will pretty much be repeating the same process for all of the nails, and I just wanted to give you a couple tips when it comes to the lazy girl method in case you're new to my channel and you would like to perfect this. As you can see, I haven't prepped, primed, or applied any base coat to my natural nails. I did this solely because I remove the nails after the video is done. I don't want to keep them on the entirety of the week. So yeah, I just go ahead and I do that, but in order for them to last well, you should prep and prime them and apply a layer of base coat so that they stick on. And in addition to that, the layer of base coat that I added to the underside of the nail is going to help the polygel adhere well and not come off of the nail. Another thing that you need to take into consideration is that you might need to size up your tips a little bit just so that they can fit properly onto the nail and hold all of the polygel on the underside. I tend to make this a little bulkier, so I always usually go a side up when I create this type of method. Sometimes in other videos I haven't done that, and it was solely because I used a very small amount of polygel on them, but for these particular ones I did use quite a bit of product, so I sized up one size in all of the nails. And another thing is that you need to create these nails keeping in mind that a pigmented polygel or a pigmented gel color is not going to cure well and adhere to your nail under the lamp. What I mean is that you need to keep the colors more transparent and work with clear colors of polygel or gel colors, so that when you apply the finished product onto your nail and then go to cure it in the lamp, it actually cures properly and stays put on your nail, because if the polygel doesn't cure, it's not going to stay on your nail for long. After putting all of the nails on, I just used some slip solution and a cotton pad and just cleaned the underside of the nails. And that was it for the super quick application. And it's time to move on to the nail art. So for my pointer finger and my pinky, I went ahead and I added a layer of base coat, and then I added these cute little snowflakes on them. And before I cured them, I added a little bit more of the base coat on top of them, and then I took a piece of tape and just pressed them down and cured it in the lamp, and then removed it. And I will show you a little bit more detailed how to do it now. You can see how I stick it on my fingers, and then just press it onto the nail, hold it firmly in place, and cure it. After that, it's time for the snowman that I was so excited about, and I kind of created this design thinking about it like a sunny side up egg. Is that how it's called? You know, the eggs that you put in the frying pan. So I just created that kind of shape, and then I took a dollop of the white 3D modeling gel that I have, and I rolled it into a ball, and then I just placed it somewhere like in the middle of the design, and I patted it down so that it adheres properly. And after that, it was time to create the little snowman's hands made of sticks, as well as the other details. And you can also just freestyle this and add whatever you want. You can add a hat. A friend of mine on Instagram told me that she wanted to add a scarf, and that was such a smart idea. I should have done this, but yeah, it's so cute. You can go ahead and add his little buttons. As you can see right here, he's just melting away under the sun. After that, I decided to add a layer of top coat onto the nails with the snowflakes, and I just added 2 cute little rhinestones in the middle. And for the remaining 2 nails, I got this kind of powder. It's kind of, I don't remember exactly how it's called, but it's thicker than an acrylic powder. And you're supposed to use this in order to create very like enhanced texture on the nails. Not like 3D modeling gel, but more like how is it called, like a cement kind of texture, like a gypsum, I think it's called, that kind of thing. So it worked. It works just like it would if you used a thicker acrylic with the sweater nail design method. And yeah, it was really cool. I liked it. I created icicles with it. So finally, I'm adding some top coat to all of the nails. I am top coating the snowman to make sure that he's shiny, and top coating the rest of the nails as well, curing them under the lamp for 30 seconds. And I also added a little bit of top coat on the underside just so that it wouldn't be sticky. Don't want any hair getting stuck down there. And last but not least, we're adding some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. And here is the finished look. This is such an exciting tutorial. I just had so much fun putting these together. They look so cute, and the little melted snowman just came out exactly like I envisioned it. Also, here you can see just how they look like when they're in low lighting. As I said, these are fluorescent colors. They're shining in the dark, so it was super exciting, and I just had to show you exactly what they looked like. They're actually a little more green in real life, but they pick up as very blue, and I think it just looks great with the whole snow theme. I had so much fun putting this look together. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. Without further ado, I will see you guys next week with a new tutorial. And before we go, as always, I will show you my dog. As always, she's super sleepy, and she actually got a haircut this week. Just got a haircut. You wanna say bye? You wanna say bye? No, you wanna sleep. Just want to sleep all day. Say bye-bye. Thank you for subscribing to my mama's channel and watching her videos.